We were afraid the show might disappear with it. But then the Hurd family stepped in and said, look, we have been so long associated with the GM family of cars. We'd love to have the event here. And they welcomed us with open arms. And so as a matter of fact, I wonder if I could get a round of applause for the Hurd family for letting the show come here, huh? It's great to be able to caucus our General Motors products. And to that end, ladies and gentlemen, if I could draw your attention for just an extra moment here, I would like to introduce you to the man behind the big sign. Of course, the Hurd family's been selling cars for 76 years. He hasn't been selling them that long. That would be impossible. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce you, if I could now, to Chris Hurd. Chris?
Thank you, Bruce. I feel 76. Does that count? What a beautiful day. And I would just like to thank everybody for coming out today. It is truly an honor for us, the 110 employees that work here, to be able to host this. I walked around, I think I've fallen in love 100 times just walking through these cars, trucks. Absolutely fantastic. And it is one thing that stirs the passion to see some of these. Tells me how old I am, because a lot of these that some kids are looking at saying, boy, that's an old one. Well, I remember when I was driving and that was a fresh car. So fantastic stuff here.
Don't mind me. Because we're only about 5 minutes or so away from the program. So it's one of the last calls. I have to go break here today for the last show. This is the last day. You know what? Maybe the last day, 64 is about 2 And as I mentioned earlier, the way the numbers worked out with our little trophies by percentages. We went up with about a dozen top picks sold, about a dozen for Buick, and then about 2 dozen top picks for Pontiac. This is the